We have two different types of traditional coffee and tea maker. One is capacity of 1.5 liter and another one is capacity of 3 liter. But for 1.5 liter, we need to add 200 gram of coffee or tea powder. For 3 liter capacity of decoction, you need to add 400 gram of coffee or tea powder.
Then add 200 gram of coffee powder into a coffee vessel. And close the lid. Then add 200 gram of tea powder into the tea vessel. And close the lid. Pour 1.5 liter of hot water into the top of both the vessels. Wait 30 minutes for the initial decoction to brew. Switch on the warmer to maintain the heat. The machine consumes approximately 2 units of electricity per 8 hours with frequent usage.